Galaxy Glare Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. This translucent jelly gel set inspired by nature's purity, offering a glossy, glass-like finish. Versatile for any occasion, from casual to formal, it effortlessly enhances natural beauty with a soft, elegant touch. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation base gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this gel as base color. Apply the base color evenly. Cure under a UV lamp for 60 seconds. Apply this cat eye gel to nail plate. We need a magnetic wand to create a French tip cat eye effect. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply this glitter gel to 2/3 area of nail plate. Use the gradient brush to create gradient effect. Cure for 60 seconds. Top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.